for far too long, and foreign nationals have abused our mercy and kindness, and it ends now. We know that we are the voice of the voiceless, the unemployed, the drug addicts, the women who are raped and trafficked every day from this country by foreign nationals, and we now say enough is enough. We have noted the energy that politicians, particularly those in government, have for calling for the state to unleash the brutality of the state on us, for demanding what belongs to us. Why do we not see the same energy against the criminal cartels that we already know we have in the country? Not once have we had government calling out Nigerians for selling drugs in South Africa and destroying the future of this country. And just yesterday, we were watching them on another episode of Sizokuthola, telling us that the ground is fertile for crime in this country. Yet we have not heard government calling them out. We have not heard government calling out Somalians and the people of Pakistan and Ethiopians and telling them to dismantle the cartels that they are running in our country, as well as the spaza shop mafias. We are aware that the executive is planning to unleash the army on us in June, yet they have dismally failed to remove the illegal immigrants from our shores. The prioritization of foreign nationals in South Africa is deeply appalling. South Africa is currently on the verge of a collapse. The economy is crumbling, there are no resources left for South Africans, and there's certainly not enough resources for foreign nationals. We therefore cannot allow this to continue while our people continue to suffer. The government has, in the 2026-2027 financial year, budgeted and allocated 292.8 billion rands for social grants. This confirms that many South Africans are dependent on social grants, which highlights the scale of urgency of the problem, because South Africa is a welfare state. Majority of foreign nationals that are in South Africa are not real refugees. These are economic migrants who have and continue to abuse our laws. They have taken over the informal economy, colluded with Home Affairs officials in creating fraudulent documents to bring their countrymen into our country. Our township economy has been hijacked by Somalians and foreign nationals from Pakistan and Ethiopia. In Durban alone, over 340 permits have been given to foreign nationals to operate in the Durban CBD as we sit here currently. The strain in our public facilities is getting out of hand, with the departments such as health, education, and social development struggling to service South Africans properly because they end up having to service a lot more foreign nationals than they should. The underfunding of the BMA is also a grave concern to us, and that requires urgent intervention. It is pointless to fund the Department of Labor so that they can employ 10,000 inspectors when your borders are wide open. This is poor planning from the government, because those 10,000 inspectors should be assisting the only 800 immigration officers that we have in the entire country. We have noted hundreds of thousands of migrants coming to our country as tourists and then end up as refugees and business people, as well as criminals or even employers. The time has come for government now to close the tap and deport all of these immigrants. We do not want to see illegal immigrants working for Checkers 6060 coming to our homes to deliver our food, as this is not a critical or scarce skill. These jobs must be reserved only for South Africans in order for us to win the war against inequality and poverty. There must be a stringent system and laws that prevent drug lords from Nigeria to access our country as they please. This has been going on for far too long, with them even having places that they've taken over and they dominate, making it no-go areas for South Africa. And it is now a time that it comes to an end. The government needs to decide which side they are going to take. Will they stand with South Africans, or are they going to stand with these criminal syndicates? We have noted the irresponsible actions of Home Affairs and the municipality of pulling the wool over the faces of South Africans, when we know that there is no way that immigration officers can screen 457 immigrants in less than 3 hours, when ordinarily it takes a whole day to screen one immigrant. We are not going to surrender. South Africa is our home, and we have nowhere to go. And we will fight for the rights of South Africans here in South Africa. Going back to the township economy contributes approximately 900 billion into the GDP of this country. This contribution is now shrinking due to the hijacking of our economy. The number of drug addicts has skyrocketed over the past few years, and the government has done nothing to turn around the situation. Even those famous NGOs that are now rushing to save the refugees are nowhere to be seen when it's time to help South Africans who are destitute and in need. We want to thank South Africans for chasing their country, for protecting their country. We have seen them rising from each and every corner, taking to the streets and on social media, fighting for their country every single day. And we call upon every single South African who's passionate and loves their country not to stop fighting until the end, because in the end, we will win, and very soon. We call upon professionals, churches, influencers, progressive politicians, traditional leaders, and every single South African to rise and take to the streets to clean our towns, save our children, and not rest until the end, until we win. We have a few demands that we have listed that we would like to put to our government. We call upon the government to stop granting and processing of all refugee applications within 14 days until the state has come up with an interim solution pending the process currently underway in respect of the white paper. Because currently there's no need for them to keep handing out refugee statuses when they know that their house is not in order. We call for the immediate and massive deportation of all illegal immigrants currently living in the country. And if they can force them to pay for their way back home, it'll ensure that they don't keep coming back. We call for the amendment of the law to enable the BMA to operate inland, because for us it makes no sense to say that the people that are allowing the people to come in and know how long they should be staying in the country are not allowed to come into the country and take them out when their time has expired. We demand for the transfer of all immigration officers to BMA, and for this to be legislated, and of course for the increase in the number of immigration officers in the country, because 800 really is a ridiculous number. We call for the urgent transfer of all border police to BMA, because currently what is happening, SAPS and BMA and SANDF are not working together at the borders to make sure that they are able to stop people from coming into the country due to who is calling the shots at the border at the time. So it's better to just have BMA be the ones that have their own resources and their own personnel working at the borders. We would like for the government to set a budget to build a secure fence and secure our country urgently, as a matter of absolute urgency, because we know that currently our country is only operating at 25% capacity at our borders. We are calling on government to declare a state of emergency for illegal immigration that is currently happening in the country, under the banner of this being an invasion of the country. We also would like to call for the legislation to pass laws to reserve township economy for South African small businesses only. And we call upon the President to address the nation in respect to the issues raised above before the 30th of June 2026. As our people want to take to the streets on the 30th of June 2026 if this issue is not addressed correctly. Mother Teresa once said, when a poor person dies of hunger, it has not happened because God did not take care of him or her. It happened because neither you nor I wanted to give that person what he or she needed. Our people want justice and they want it now. Let us all rise to save our country, save our people from hunger and inequality. South Africa will be great again. It just needs all of us to rise and defeat our enemy. And tomorrow we must all rise and play a role to defend our heritage. And God bless South Africa.
Welcome to Inside Central. Welcome back to our channel. Namuntlha hi ta va hi vulavula hi nhlangano wa March in March or March and March lowu a wu khomi mbulavurisano na vateki va mahungu katsa na hina va Inside Central. Nhlangano lowu wa March in March i nhlangano lowu u lwisanaka na vahlampfa lava nga laha tikweni swi nga ri ki nawini. I nhlangano lowu u nga na vanhu vo tala lava va wu seketelaka, lava va kombaka leswaku nhlangano lowu hi wona u nga endlaku leswaku tiko ra hina ra South Africa ri tlhelela evutshan'wini bya kahle. Leri vanhu vo talo va nge le ku ri seketeleni, ku tlhela ku va na vanhu vo talo va kombisaka leswaku leswi nhlangano lowu u swi endlaku a swi fambisani na hina maAfrika-Dzonga, hi ku hina maAfrika-Dzonga hi vanhu vo hanya na vanhu. Kambe mhaka leyi ya tika swinene hi ku ya hi maAfrika-Dzonga va kombisa leswaku vanhu vo suka matikweni ma le handle lava nga laha tikweni swi nga ri ku nawini hi vona va nge le ku tirheni or hi vona va nga na mintirho. Leswi swi nga khomeki kahle vanhu va laha tikweni ra hina ra Afrika-Dzonga. Nhlangano lowu u kombisa leswaku kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa va fanele ku tikombisa leswaku i murhangeri wa tiko, va fanele ku teka magoza yo landzelela milawu ya tiko hi side ra vahlampfa lava va nghenaka laha tikweni va nga ri ku nawini. Nhlangano lowu wa March and March u kombisa leswaku hi ti 30 ta n'hweti yona yaleyi nga ka yona vahlampfa lava nga laha tikweni va nga ri ku nawini va fanele ku huma or va fanele ku va va humile laha tikweni. Lava va nga ta va va ha ri kona laha tikweni hi nkarhi wolowo va ta va hudula kunene va va yisa ka rikwerhu. Nhlangano wa March and March u kombisa leswaku vanhu lava nga laha tikweni swi nga ri ku nawini a va fanelanga ku loko va heleketiwa ekaya government ya hina ku va yona yi va hakelelaka mali ku va ya ekaya. Yi kombisa leswaku va fanele ku hakela mali ya vona, mali ya vona hi yona yi va fambisa yi va yisa kaya ku endlela ku va nga ha ringeti ku la ku vuya laha tikweni ra South Africa na hambi ku va ku endleki yini na yini. Loko ku tirhe mali ya vona va nge naveli ku vuya. Nhlangano u tlhela u kombisa or u tlhela u pimela murhangeri wa tiko ra South Africa kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa nkarhi. U kombisa leswaku kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa before ku fika siku ra ti 30 va kombeliwa ku va vulavula na rixaka hi mhaka va kombeliwa ku va vulavula na rixaka or ku va vulavuli na rixaka. Nhlangano lowa March and March u kombisa leswaku kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa murhangeri wa tiko ra South Africa u fanele ku va vulavula na rixaka hi mhaka leyi ya mafurina lava nga laha tikweni swi nga ri ku nawini. U tlhela u nyika government leswi u lavaka ku va swona leswi va swi tekelaka enhlokweni loko va vulavula na rixaka. Xivutiso i ku xana kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa va ta swi endla leswi nga kombeliwa hi nhlangano wa March and March kumbe va lava ku rhanga ku va na tinyimpi ombolovo laha tikweni hi ko va nga ta vulavula na. Xana ti 30 ta May ku ya endleka yini laha tikweni? Ku fambisa ka vahlampfa laha tikweni a swi nge vangi madzolonga xi? Ku fambisa ka vahlampfa laha tikweni va nga fambisiwa hi ndlela yo rhula na? Mhaka leyi ya tika, ene vanhu lava sweswi ku nga vona va lwelaka vaakatiko va South Africa a hi vona or a hi ntirho wa vona ku va ri ku endleni leswi va nga ku swi endleni. Kambe a wu nge va judge, tiko ra South Africa a ri onhakile swinene. Kambe lava faneleke ku tirha ntirho lowu, lava holeliwaka ku endla ntirho lowu endliwaka hi ntlawa wa March and March va le ku hlulekeni, a va na plan na ku lunghisa tiko. Hi vona lava va nga ta faka vanhu va rhongo enghozini hi mhaka ku va miyerini hi nkarhi lowu a fa va vulavula. Ku sele masiku matsanana ngopfu ku ti 30 leti vuriwaka ti fika. Government yi miyerini. Xana va la ta vulavula loko ku endleki swilo swo chavisa na? Ntlawa wa March and March u na vaseketeri swinene. Mhaka leyi yo fambisa vahlampfa yi ta endla leswaku tiko ra South Africa ri hlangana na nghozi yo fana na leyi nga tshama yi endleka ya ku dlayiwa ka vanhu va ka va nga ri na nandzu hikuva government yi miyerini. Loko se va sungula ku vulavula ku ta va ku ri late. Xana March and March yi ta va na peaceful or yi ta va na ku rhula or yi ta va yi kha yi fambisa vahlampfa hi ndlela yo rhula na? Xana yi kona ndlela yo rhula yo fambisa vahlampfa laha tikweni na? Kumbe ku ta va ku ri ku lwa, ku dlayana? I ncini lexi xi nga endliwaka hi government ku stopa mhaka leyi yo chavisa yi yaku ku humeleleni hi ti 30? Ntlawa wa March and March u kombisa leswaku loko ku fika siku leri kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa va nga vulavulanga na rixaka hi mhaka leyi va yi kombelaka, tiko ri ta tshwa. Loko mi yingisela kahle murhangeri wa ntlawa lowu wa March and March mi ta swi twa ku i munhu loyi a twaka ku vava hi leswi swi nga laha tikweni. I munhu loyi a nga na plan ku vanhu lava nga laha tikweni swi nga ri ku nawini va nga fambisiwa xinjhani ku tlhelela emakaya ma vona. Kombela na government or mfumo u endla darata leyi nga ta sivela leswaku or leyi nga ta ringeta ku sivela leswaku vahlampfa va nga koti ku nghena easy laha tikweni swi nga ri ku nawini. Xana swikombelo swa vona swi ta hlamuliwa na? Xana kulukumba Cyril Ramaphosa va ta hlamula na? Xana varhangeri va tiko va ta hlamula na? Xana hi ti 30 a ku nge fi vanhu va rhongo na? Kombela mi subscribe mi nyika mavolemi ma n'wina, mi like ka channel. Danko.
Ngizoba segoli kulezi insuku ngizoze ngibuye ngomhla ka1 masibuye nje ngomhla ka2 bayangizwa lapho kule phone yakho we bantu bokufika
usikhona
we bantu bokufika nguyeke lona nimbiza ngomthakathi ngoba nisho ukuthi ngiuphakele fanele nithi igama uzubonta basilutho fanele ngokomthetho ngoba mina ngiuphakela umthakathi fanele ngabe bathi phakela bayeka lo phakela oqondile bayothi ngumthakathi lalelani nguyeke umthakathi lo akushaye umhla ka2 May senihambile nabuyela kwelakini. Ngizoba segoli kulezi insuku ngizoze ngibuye ngomhla ka1 masibuye nje ngomhla ka2 bayangizwa lapho kule phone yakho we bantu bokufika
usikhona
we bantu bokufika nguyeke lona nimbiza ngomthakathi ngoba nisho ukuthi ngiuphakele fanele nithi igama uzubonta basilutho fanele ngokomthetho ngoba mina ngiuphakela umthakathi fanele ngabe bathi phakela bayeka lo phakela oqondile bayothi ngumthakathi lalelani nguyeke umthakathi lo akushaye umhla ka2 May senihambile nabuyela kwelakini. Ngizoba segoli kulezi insuku ngizoze ngibuye ngomhla ka1 masibuye nje ngomhla ka2 bayangizwa lapho kule phone yakho we bantu bokufika
usikhona